Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi everyone, my name is Ahmad Imran and I am the second presenter for my group. And today I would like to present about our project 2 in industrial design BMFR 3423. So basically we are going to discuss 9 points, which is the 9 point is 10 initial concept sketching. Number 2 is anthropometry. Number 3 is concept screening into 3 concepts. Number 4 is industrial design sketching. Number 5 is personas. Number 6 usability matrix. Number 7 form versus function. And number 8 user interface. And lastly inertial modeling and prototyping. So we are going to look one by one. First we are going to look 10 initial concept sketching. Okay, in 10 initial concept sketchings, our group are required to sketch 10 different concept sketches for our product, which is knife. So as you can see here, we have the concept 1, 2, concept 2 and concept 3 here, concept 4. We sketch different design for our product, which is knife. So this is concept 5, concept 6 knife, and then concept 7 for the knife, and concept 8 knife, and then concept 9, and then lastly the concept 10. So there are 10 concepts for our product knife, and then so we are going to look in anthropometry. So what is the anthropometry actually? So the anthropometry is actually the branch of the human science that studies the physical measurement of the human body, particularly size and shape. So what is the relationship between the anthropometry and the 10 concepts? So basically we want to the anthropometry is we want to make our knife or product suitable and ergonomic for the end user to use our product. So in the anthropometry measurement for the knife or product, which is our knife, we have measured 2 measurement, which is first one is hand measurement or hand grip. Number 2 is human body or working posture. And as you can see, this is hand diameter, hand length for the hand grip, and the other one is human body, our working when cutting or when using the knife. Okay, so after we have sketched 10 concepts, we go to screening until it left remain 3 concepts only. So what is about 3 concepts? Okay, we firstly we provide the selection criteria that we need. Firstly, such as easy to use, hand grip design, multi-use, both hand usable, and then we give score to each of the concept that we have drawn just now. So after we obtain the score for the 10 concept, for the 10 concept, we can screen the 10 concept until it left the 3 best concepts. So the 3 best concept will goes into industrial design sketching. So for the industrial design sketching, these are the final 3 sketches that meet our criteria selection that will be more useful to our end user. So basically the concept 2, concept 6 and concept 3 are chosen. Okay, personas. Okay, then we are going through the personas. So do you know what is the persona is? Okay, let me explain. Okay, personas are fictional characters which you create based upon your research in order to represent the different user types that might use your service, product, site or brand in a similar way. Creating personas will help you to understand user needs, experience, behaviors and goals. Okay, in our persona section, we have created our fictional own characters. We have created our own fictional character, which consists of 2 people, men and women, and this persona is not a real person, but we create this character based on the real life situation. So you can look for the personas. Okay, for let me explain for this. Let me describe about a little bit about the personas 1 and personas 2. Okay, persona 1 is basically she is a teacher and live in Langgar, Kedah, and every day she have to cook for her family, and then she have to use a knife to cook, and then one day she got a problem that her knife slippery, and then she had injured her fingers during cutting the onion. So for the personas 2, he is a chef in Sungai Besi, Kuala Lumpur, and he is 60 years old, and he live with his wife and his 6 children. Okay, and then what he encountered the problem is that he had injured when preparing the food, and his workers are preparing the food so late, so slow. So he want a knife that can cook, that can make the workers work more efficient. So that is the two personas. Okay, next is usability matrix. Okay, so the usability matrix we are going to discuss about two concept here, which is number one is matrix of 3 concept screening into 1 concept, and the second one is concept scoring. Okay, the matrix of 3 concept screening into 1 concept is we once again do the selection criteria, and we take the 3 concept that after the first screening we take these 3 concept, and then we goes to this matrix of 3 concept, but this time we are going to based on our personas. Okay, so basically then we going to give the score based on our concept 3, 6 and 2, and we want to get the most suitable one, the knife that the users that meet the user needs. So next is form versus function analysis. Okay, firstly the form is basically the part of the blade, such as blade cover, handle, knife spine, and blade cover. Okay, the function for blade cover is to use to cover and to protect the blade. For the handle is for the user to grip the hand and use to cut the food, and the knife spine used to make this knife spine is made from the rubber. Our product is made from the rubber, and for our fingers to tip on the knife spine. And next we are going to look in user interface. So there are 2 user interface here that we investigate, which is the first one is affordance, and the second one is mapping. For the affordance, we want to create or design our product which is affordable for our end user needs. And the second one is mapping. The mapping is the hanging mechanism of the knife enables the end user easily. We want to our end user easily use the knife. Okay. So lastly, the initial modeling and prototyping. So as you can see, this is our picture for initial prototype, and this is our prototype, and basically this is our knife spine, and this is our knife grip. So we add on these 2 things to meet our user needs that require this product. And basically these are our end user needs that they are wants in their knife. So yes, thank you.